Pakasyan mo lang yung friend ko. Pakisabi.
What happened?
Because I have so many prescription of drugs. But I don't have any medicine
Ah!
because she is an addict. Hindi ka sa taas.
우리 아니
Sige, sige. Tapos yung work naman.